Have you ever looked at a glass of water? It looks clear, it looks clean. But what if I told you it's a busy place? If you looked at just one drop under a powerful microscope, you would be amazed. You might see millions of tiny things swimming around. Some are harmless minerals, but others could be tiny bits of dirt, rust, germs. These things are called impurities. They are so small that thousands could fit on the head of a pin. Your eyes can't see them, but they are there, floating in the water you drink every day. Now, don't worry, it's just science, and science is cool. Let's open up a water filter. What do we see? It's not just one thing, it's a team of different parts, layered together. This is a multi-stage system. Water has to pass through each stage, like an obstacle course. The first stage is usually a simple screen, the mechanical filter. Its job is to catch the big stuff: sand, silt, little bits of rust. It's the bouncer at the front door, protecting the delicate parts. Without it, finer parts would clog up very quickly. This simple screen helps the whole filter last longer. Inside, it's a high-tech fortress, a gatekeeper that decides what gets to your glass and what gets trapped behind. Think of it like a team of superheroes. Each hero has a special power. One hero is super strong, stops big things. Another is super sticky, grabs tiny chemicals. Together, in smart order, they make your water filter far smarter than it looks. Now let's zoom in on one of the most powerful players, the membrane. What is a membrane? A thin barrier with microscopic holes, called pores. It works like a superfine sieve, but thousands of times smaller. It separates tiny unwanted particles from even tinier pure water molecules. There are different membranes. Microfiltration stops bacteria and protozoa. Ultrafiltration goes smaller, and the champion, reverse osmosis, or RO. RO pores stop nearly everything that's not a water molecule. Think of the membrane as a chain-link fence. Water molecules are like tiny ants, they slip through. Impurities are like basketballs, too big to pass. They bounce off and get washed away. For a membrane to work, it needs a push. Water. Pressure separates the pure water from the waste. No chemicals, just size and pressure. That's how RO gives you incredibly pure water. Next up on the filter team is activated carbon. What makes it special? Its surface, millions of tiny nooks and crannies. Just 1 gram can have the surface area of a football field. It works by adsorption, with a DE, where molecules stick to a surface. Imagine sticky dough rolled through glitter. The glitter sticks. Carbon grabs chlorine, pesticides, and other smelly chemicals the same way. That's why filtered water tastes fresher and cleaner. But like a sticky trap, it can get full. When pores are saturated, it can't grab more. Change your carbon filter regularly to restore that fresh, sticky surface. With a fresh carbon block, your water keeps tasting great. Our final filter trick is one of the cleverest: ion exchange. Tiny resin beads are covered in harmless ions. Hard water carries calcium and magnesium, the culprits behind spots and poor lather. As water flows through, the resin grabs the hard ions and trades out sodium. Think of the resin as a trader. I want that. It grabs the heavy stuff and gives away lighter ions. Special resins can target certain heavy metals like lead, mercury, or cadmium, a smart way to remove specific contaminants. Especially helpful with older plumbing. Filters use clever chemistry and precision barriers. It's a brilliant team cleaning your water down to the tiniest details. So, your water filter is a hero. It blocks, it traps, it swaps. But even heroes get tired. Over time, parts clog and fill up. When that happens, the filter can't do its job. Watch for signs: slower flow, tastes or smells returning, especially chlorine. A clogged filter can become a breeding ground if not changed on time. Follow the manufacturer's guidance and replace on schedule. Now you know the secret science. Tiny traps, sticky sponges, clever traders. Like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more amazing science.